Hello to my YouTube channel on Legio One. Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Notification and latest video for getting first. Like, comment and share the video if you like it. Hello friends, let's get started. Today I will show you how to install Kali Linux. As you can see, there are several options. Click the install button, wait a moment while it boots up. It will take a little time before the process started automatically. Next, you need to select your language, your country and the language you wish to use for the operating system. Then there are a few key steps you need to focus on. I will walk you through this main stage. The installation process took a long time, so I have speed up that part of the videos to keep it concise. Next, you will see an option to enter a host name. The host name is what will appear on the console. What you use command on the terminal in Kali Linux. You don't necessarily have to provide a domain name, but if you have one, you can enter it here. Click continue. Now you will see a field for the user full name. The name you enter here will be used to unlock your operating system. Essentially, this username will be required when you enter your password. Then a set password of your choice. Make sure to remember both the username and password. Click continue on the screen. You will see a menu option labeled partition disk. Select manual from there. After clicking the manual, another menu will appear. Select the disk you are using by pressing enter. Another menu will follow. Select the option all file in one partition. Finally, select the option finish partition and write changes to disk. Next, a menu page title. Write the changes to disk will appear. Select the yes option. Here the step-by-step installing process will start automatically. The installations will process through the step without requiring further input until the software selection stage. Here you can choose the specified software and tools you need. Remember, you can make selection using the tab and enter key. I am happy with the default setting, so I will click continue. Once you click continue, since the video would be quite long otherwise, I have terminated the actual installed time. Please wait as it takes a maximum 15 to 20 minutes. All the selected software will be installed. Please wait a minute for this to complete. After that, a menu page for configuring the GRUB will open. Select the yes option. Another menu page will appear. Select the option listed under /diff/SDA. Next, you will see an installations option. Press continue there as well. The OS installations will completed and the login screen, often referred to as the home screen, will appear. You will now see to enter the username and password. Wait just a moment. I am logging in with my username and password. Remember, regardless of whether you use uppercase or lowercase letter when setting it up. The default username here must be in an lowercase letter. So use the lowercase username and the password you originally set. There I am logging in. The installation is completed and I can now use Kali Linux on my laptop. I am repeated friend, remember, regardless of whether you use uppercase or lowercase letter when setting it up, the default username here must be in all lowercase letter. So use the lowercase username and the password you originally set. There I am logging in. The installation is completed. Now I am use Kali Linux on my laptop. Friend, stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more interesting technology related videos. If you like video, please share it with your friends, like and comment. Also, to receive notification first, visit my channel and press the bell icon. So now do you see how to install I am Kali Linux in my laptop? You follow step by step process and you get better experience. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye to my YouTube channel.